Are you going to a costume party? Telmo, I don't understand a single word you're saying.
Ooh, no. I've been looking for ideas for today's project.
In the ocean?
Yes, because today we're going to make colored fish. And the ocean is the best place to study them.
Can you show me your notes?
Yes, of course. Well, I don't think my notebook is waterproof.
Well, don't worry about it. Take off the equipment and let's look at the materials we need. Telmo!
Colored pencils.
Fishing string.
Glue.
Scissors.
Adhesive tape.
White poster board. Telmo, take off that suit. You won't be able to do the project like that.
Now let's get started.
We draw the outline of a fish on a white poster board. We also draw 2 fins with flaps, but separated from the body. We cut the outline of the fish on the poster board and the fins. We draw in the details on both sides.
I'm going to draw a dolphin, a whale, and an orca.
And I will draw 2 fish, many colors, and a Telmo.
What do you mean a Telmo? I'm not a fish.
But of course you are.
No, I'm not.
Well, you just got hooked like a fish.
Are you talking about my girlfriend?
Yes. Have you already told her, by the way?
Yes.
And what did she say?
She said yes, and she gave me a kiss.
Well, that's nice, right?
No.
No.
No, because I've never had a girlfriend and I don't know what to do with girlfriends.
What do you do with girlfriends? Well...
Yes? What do I do with my girlfriend to make her happy?
Give her presents, say nice things to her, spoil her a lot, kiss her at least once a day.
And that is all?
Nope, that's just the beginning. Then it gets complicated, but you learn as you go.
Hey, what do girlfriends do for you?
Well, they accept the presents, they let you spoil them, and they kiss you back if they're in a good mood.
Well, I don't think that's a fair exchange.
It is what it is.
That reminds me that I have to make 2 of each fish.
And why?
Because we have to split up all the assets.
Well, get with it because you have double the work. In the meantime, let's look at the second part of our project. We color the fish and fins with different colored pencils. We fold the flaps of the fins and we stick them on both sides of the fish with glue. Then we let them dry for a while.
I don't know what color to paint my fish since I lost my notes.
Doesn't matter. In any case, you don't have a fish ready to be painted.
What do you mean? I have 3 fishes already.
I don't see any fish.
1, 2, and 3. See? There are 3.
Are you sure?
Tula, stop it! I've got enough with my girlfriend already because she always wants to be right.
The dolphin, the whale, and the orca are not fish. They're mammals.
Oops, and furthermore, we studied them in school not too long ago. Hey, please don't tell my girlfriend.
Relax, I won't tell her anything. It will be our secret.
Do I have to do them over again?
No, silly, you can paint them. After all, they all live in the ocean. Let's look at the last part of the project. We cut various pieces of fishing string in different lengths. We tape one end of the string to the middle of the fish, and we stick the other end to the ceiling with tape. Let's call Grown-up so he can help us hang them from the ceiling.
Shall we play Go Fish before we do that?
And how do you play that?
Well, I get a fish pole and then I get up on the table, which will be my boat. You grab 2 fish, 1 in each hand, and you move them like they were swimming.
How complicated. I propose something more fun.
What?
Fishing for Paquito.
For Paquito? I like that. But how will we do that?
You'll see. Go get Paquito. I'm going to get a large cardboard box. Place Paquito inside the box.
All right.
I've tied a hazelnut to the string.
Tula, my little sweetheart, will you let me fish?
All right, get up on the table.
He won't bite.
Hold on, be patient.
Yeah, he bit it. I can't handle him. I'm gonna have to use my super strength. Super Telmo and... Oh! That little rodent fish has gotten away from me.
Well, we'll try it again later on. For now, let's hang up the fish.
Oof, this is really complicated.
Yes, we should call Grown-up so that he can help us.
Grown-up!
Can you come here and help us, please? Grown-up, can you help us hang these colored fish?
We now have our own aquarium.
And if we blow on them, they'll move as if they're swimming.